OVO-TECH Plus 18. Developed for market leaders. The most advanced egg breaking technology in the egg industry. Highest production yield. Best-in-class separation technique. Highly hygienic system. There is nothing better. The SANOVO OptiBreaker Plus series is the most advanced egg breaking technology in the industry. Developed for liquid egg processing market leaders. It is the result of close to 70 years of egg processing experience and collaboration with leading producers all over the world. The Plus 18 model is the largest of the OptiBreaker Plus series and processes up to 216,000 eggs per hour. The 18-row egg breaking compartment with 324 optimized cracker units serves 648 receiving and separation cups of liquid egg at an optimal long draining time. Cam-controlled breaker bars ensure the best separation results. The standard Opti management system comes with automatic fault tracing, detailed service surveillance including service update alarms, and utilizes the computer vision-based egg yolk scanning system as well as the intelligent automatic cup washing and egg purging system. The 10.4 color touchscreen for operators let you access production data, alarms, and machine adjustments. New SANOVO Link Pro for real-time monitoring of machine performance anytime, anywhere. Now available for the OptiBreaker Plus series. Product outlets are installed at the bottom of the machine storing the valuable liquid egg, while empty eggshells are ejected via the built-in sanitary screw conveyor. The machine speed is controlled by the efficient frequency inverter. The RZ6 egg breaker with the function of separating egg whites from yolks is one of the fastest egg breakers from OVO-TECH. The machines automatically collect eggs from the stainless steel feeder tray and moves them over special knives which cut and separate the shells. Next, the eggs, after going through a quality control tray, go through a separator, where egg whites are separated from yolks, after which they are redirected into separate buckets. This most hygienic egg breaking method is an innovation by OVO-TECH. On top of that, the RZ6 egg breaker is equipped with a smooth speed regulation. The operator can adjust the operating speed at any time and in any mode. The knives' height and their hitting strength are adjustable, which comes in handy when breaking eggs with weak shells.